We can go between almost to the lake, to the sea. We can have, salmon coming up through the Puget Sound. So I'd just like to emphasize something that I think a thread through everything you've heard. The word really is continuity. And when we bring ourselves together, we can do great things. The city of SeaTac, Burien, the port, connecting both ecologically and politically, great things can happen.
SeaTac is proud to have been partner in delivering important projects by contributing $1.76 million.
In collaboration with the port and with feedback from community, we developed the ambitious NERA redevelopment plan in 2010. Right here in the Miller Creek corridor, those plans have driven projects featuring integrated stormwater facilities with habitat enhancements in addition to public open spaces and trail improvements.
This project is particularly important because it not only improves the overall habitat in Miller Creek, but it also restores critical links from habitat elements downstream that the Port of Seattle is doing, and upstream some enhancements that we did to some upstream wetlands.
And it also, the continuity about, we've each individually invested a lot along the segments, and together we're making something that's much bigger than the sum of the parts. And so the ecology and the community come together, and it's really great.